To add stock holding transaction to your portfolio, simply search for the symbol that you're looking for. So let's look for it's Ally Auto. Now once you come to the stock page, you will see on the top right hand corner there is a holding box that displays the number of stocks you have, number of stocks you have as a collateral, your average cost, any unrealized or realized gain. So now on this box you will see two buttons. One is for bought, one is for sold. So bought is used to add any stock buying transaction, and sold button is used to add stock selling transaction. So let's add a stock buying transaction. So click on bought. Now a new pop-up window will show up. In this you will add the quantity. Let's say we bought 135 stocks and the price we paid was, let's say, $29.30. The transaction date was June 10th. Click add. Now once the transaction is added, you will see your holding box gets an update. You will see the number of stocks is 135. Your average cost is $29.30. Your unrealized gain is $91.80 because of the current price increase. Now let's say if you want to add another transaction, simply click on bought, and let's say we bought another 50 shares on purchase date of June 12th, and at that time we pay price of $31. So if you add, you will see your average cost gets updated because of two different prices and two different transactions, and your number of stocks are 185. So if you click on view transaction, this will take you to a new page where you will see all the stocks buying and selling transaction for this particular stocks. And as you can see, on the June 10th, we bought 135 shares at $29.30. And on June 12th, we bought 50 shares at $31, making our average price $29.76. So now let's say you sold some of the stock. So to add that transaction, simply click on sold, enter the quantity you sold. Let's say we sold 40 stocks and the price that you sold for. We sold it for, let's say, $30.80, and the transaction was done on, let's say, June 20th, and click add. Now once you do that, you will see there is a one more transaction get added here. That's a selling transaction, and quantity is 40, stock price is $30.80 that we got paid. So our realized gain is $41.62. Our average cost still remains same, $29.76, and our unrealized gain is $31.99. So if you go back to the stock page, you will see the same detail, but you get the general idea how to add stock buying and selling transaction. So to add stock buying transaction, click on bought. To add stock selling transaction, click on sold. Now you can also perform the same activity through portfolio page. So if you click on portfolio, it will show you the number of stocks that you owned and all the details about those stocks, how many covered calls you have done, how many secured puts you have done, how many other trades are there, how much you have invested into, and so all sorts of detail about your stock holdings. But you can add holdings from this page as well. You can see there are two buttons here, bought and sold. So if you click on bought, again the same window will pop up, but this time you need to choose the symbol because we are not on the stock page, so the app doesn't know what stock you're buying. So in that case, let's add, let's say, Tesla. So we'll do Tesla, and once you type in Tesla, it will show up that Tesla right now is trading at $6.97. Now let's say you bought 10 shares. The price you paid was $612, and the transaction date was, say, June 22nd, and click add. As you can see, the Tesla gets updated. If you click on Tesla, it will take you to Tesla page, and you will see the same details here. Number of transactions 10, your average cost is $612, unrealized gain is $89.70. So this is the way you can add your holdings to your portfolio. So every time you sell or buy any stock, you can simply just update the portfolio pages here, by clicking bought and sold button.